Hi friends, thank you for coming back. This is Elaine Marie. How are you today? Well, guess what I thought we'd do? I thought we would paint a fence with some pumpkins in the front. I think that's going to be pretty cool. We have a dark brown gold, lighter brown, green, and white. And I'm going to use my flat brush. And here we go. And by the way, everyone, thank you for tuning in. And I hope everyone is doing great. Okay, this is what we do. Take your brush, and you're going to come in like dark, gold, and the brown. And that's how it's going to lay out on the back of your brush. And here we go. We'll start from the bottom. And we'll just drag that straight up, friends. There you go. And it'll make it look like a panel, the back of a fence. Oh, I like that. Oh yeah, that looks pretty cool. And see how you're getting? Flip the brush over and then come back down, straight down, and you will get, look at that, all the different colors, and it looks like a fence. So let's go dab some more. Just like that, right? Okay. It doesn't matter, down or up. We can start up and come down. There we go. Come down, and I hope everyone is having a great time. Yes, here we go. And this will be the back of our fence. Okay, we'll dab it again. We have the three colors on our brush. Dab. Okay. And that gives us our nice texture. Let's dab it again. Okay, and this way we'll have to come in just a little bit like this so we can really get a canvas. Oh, I like the way that gold looks, so I think I'm going to dab just a little bit more in the gold. Oh, that is really cool. And this is the back of our fence. Oh, that is really, really cool. Now I'm going to get another flat brush, okay? And then I'm going to come in with some green and some white. See how I'm dabbing that like that? And then we're going to run that straight across. Yeah. So we have a little greenery on the bottom. Okay, look at the bottom like this. And just run that right across, and that'll be the bottom, like our grass area. Now let's dab that off. Okay, and just come in with some green by itself. There you go. Let's just run that right through like this. And what we're going to do, we're going to have the pumpkins be setting right here, and we have our fence in the background. There you go. Run that right through like this. Oh yeah, I like that. I'm going to take a little gold. Okay, we're going to go this way. We're going to go vertical. And that gives us more like the ground. The gold color of the ground. There you go. Oh, I'm liking that already. The pumpkins are going to look so, so adorable. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to dab the brush off. We're going to come in, okay, we're going to dab that out, and we're going to come in just with the tip of the brush. I'm just going to pull that up There you go, see? It would be like your grass area. There you go. Blending into the fence right there. Oh, I like that already. This is going to look really cool. We're going to have to be doing step 2 though for the pumpkins. That's okay. Alright, let's give this a little bit more darker green right here. Okay, we'll run that through. And then we're going to come in with an angular brush. And we're going to come in, and remember we did this before. Point down and come up. Right? Point down and drag it up. We just want a little bit more than just the pumpkins sitting here. Okay? And you can go right, left, make it interesting. There you go. This way we'll have a little something in the background also when we go to do our pumpkin. We're going to make a few pumpkins. Yes, I like that already. Now what I want you to do, take that same angular brush, make this a very lighter green. There you go, and you're giving it like a two-tone. We've done this before in our other videos. Okay, that just kind of makes it, okay, pop a little bit. Alrighty, there you go. Okay. Run that through again. A little white and a little green. Cool, I love it, I love it. Friends, you've got to come back to step number 2. And then we're going to make some pumpkins on the bottom. Please join me on step number 2 and have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.